Joining me in this astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Kasal.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino.
Good day to the viewers of astrological segment. First of all, let us join together to pass on our good wishes to those who are celebrating their birthday during this week and those who are celebrating their marriage anniversary during this week. May God shower good luck upon them throughout the year. Now your astro forecast, which is always in general. एरीज जिनके मेष राशि। एरीज वालों, आपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखना है। बहुत ये कोई सप्ताह शुभ नहीं है आपके लिए। हेल्थ वाइज, ड्राइविंग में, consider others are fools because it is a very cautious week for the Aries people. Aries and Scorpio people. This week is very full of caution. Taurus, then Break Rashi. Taurus people may be joining some sort of marriage celebration, or there could be a celebration at home, birthday celebration. So just keep as low as possible. So आप टेरस वालों किसी भी ब्याह शादी में जाए तो आपने जितना भी अपना प्रोफाइल नीचा रखेंगे उतना ही शुभ रहेगा। Gemini, then मिथुन राशि। Gemini people will be very successful whatever they undertake. आप किसी भी काम को हाथ डालेंगे, कोई कोर्ट केस हो, कुछ भी हो, आपको सफलता मिलेगी, प्रोवाइड यू वर्क फॉर दैट। कैंसर, यानी कर्क राशि। कैंसर वाले अगर बच्चे हैं आपके तो उनका ध्यान रखना, नहीं तो अपनी सेहत का, अपनी प्लानिंग का ब्लाइंड फोल्ड ना हो जाना कि मैं ये जप करने लगा हूं। नो, कंसल्ट अदर्स। सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल if you have got children about them, and if you are planning to do something, be extra careful. Consult somebody else. Don't be blindfolded. Leo, यानी सिंह राशि। लियो वालों के लिए घर का विस्तार बहुत जरूरी है। Direction for the Leo people is also there because of some planetary combinations, Jupiter and Rahu, and Mars and Saturn, all these combinations, and Sun and Mercury, they are together. So Shukra and Ketu are together. So there are many things. So it's better for you if you are also sleep, keeping your head towards south and feet towards north, or head towards west and feet towards east. Please keep it, and keep 1 inch high head side legs of the bed. Virgo, यानी कन्या राशि। यात्रा लभायमान रहेगी if you go for that. So it will be very pleasant journey if you take. Even if you do not do that, over here you will be full of joy. Libra, यानी तुला राशि। सब रोका हुआ धन आपकी पॉकेट में आ जाएगा। लॉटरी लाइक पैसे की वर्षा हो सकती है। You can have a success like a lottery, and shower of wealth is there. Rest it depends upon your individual horoscope. Scorpio, then Vrishchik Rashi. Scorpio people, it is very good. Moon is leading you towards the brightness, but you have to move with caution. I'm advising you, don't take rash decisions, please. Sagittarius, जिनके धन राशि। उधार लेना देना शुभ नहीं है, शेष सर्व शुभ है। Do not lend or borrow money. Rest, everything is fine for you. Capricorn, then Makar Rashi. Capricorn people, you should try to contact your distant relatives overseas. Try to call them, try to have conversation with them, how they are and how you are and all that stuff. So with that one, you will be very happy and it will bring joy to you. Aquarius, यानी कि कुंभ राशि। Expansion of business or getting into a new job or promotion in job. So कारोबार का विस्तार, नई जॉब का मिलना या जॉब में उन्नति, ऐसे योग दिखाई देते हैं इन जनरल। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। Pisces, जिनके मीन राशि। Pisces people, this week is excellent for you to worship as per your religion, you can meditate to be in touch with the divinity. ये आपके लिए meditation के लिए extraordinary week है for the Pisces people. You can penetrate through the planetary environment. You can penetrate through anything that divine has created for you. Thank you for joining me. Till next week, may God bless all of you. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu.
Joining me in this astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Buddha Prasad.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.